XRP long-term holders just took $375 million in profits in a single day, marking the highest distribution since the December 2024 rally. According to Glassnode, this event mirrors what we saw when XRP rallied almost 290% late last year. But here's the catch. This sudden profit-taking could be a key reason behind XRP's sharp drop below $3 at the start of August. Let's break down the details, the numbers, and what it could mean for XRP going forward. Glassnode revealed on X that profit-taking across the top 5 crypto assets triggered a broader market downturn in late July. The global crypto market cap lost over $200 billion in just 3 days. But unlike other assets, XRP's profit-taking did not spike recently. It happened back on July 24th, right after a dramatic 10.34% crash the day before. That was XRP's steepest intraday drop in 3 months. The panic selling snowballed, and within 24 hours, long-term XRP holders had cashed out $375 million worth of tokens. Now, what's interesting is that these weren't just short-term speculators. Glassnode's data shows the heaviest selling came from holders who have been sitting on XRP for at least 2 years. That's significant because long-term investors usually move only when they sense a major shift in the market. Their actions resemble December 2024, when XRP's huge 290% rally ended in massive distribution as well. In both cases, profit-taking marked the turning point from euphoria to correction. After July 24th, XRP briefly held strong, but it didn't last. By August 2nd, the token collapsed another 13.2%, sliding under the $3 mark. While XRP has since recovered some ground, analysts are warning that the same underlying trend, profit-taking at high profitability levels, could keep putting pressure on the price. And here's the data backing that up. The Crypto Basic reported earlier that Glassnode had already flagged XRP's addressed profitability at 94% when prices held above $3. Market commentator Winnie suggested then that such extreme profitability was unsustainable and profit-taking was likely to follow. That prediction turned out to be spot on, with the July 24th sell-off. Even today, sentiment data cited by trader Zave Crypto shows that 93% of XRP addresses remain in profit. That's an astonishing figure. On one hand, it's a bullish sign. It shows XRP has delivered gains for almost everyone holding it. But on the other hand, it means there's still a huge incentive for more holders to lock in profits if fear returns to the market. The question now is whether XRP can withstand these waves of distribution better than before. Interestingly, analysts note that the token is showing more resilience compared to past sell-offs. Unlike December 2024, when distribution triggered a prolonged decline, XRP's recent drops have been sharp but short-lived, followed by recoveries above $3. This could point to stronger market support or perhaps renewed confidence in XRP's long-term outlook. Still, the situation highlights the double-edged sword of high profitability. When 90% or more of holders are in the green, the market becomes very sensitive to sudden shifts in sentiment. Any sharp downturn, like the one on July 23rd, can quickly snowball into panic selling. And as Glassnode's data confirms, those sell-offs don't just come from short-term traders, but from seasoned holders cashing out large amounts. Looking ahead, the market seems split. Bulls argue that XRP's resilience and its ability to quickly recover above key levels suggest it's entering a stronger phase, possibly preparing for another push higher. Bears, however, point to the profit-taking trend and warn that as long as most holders remain in profit, there's always room for more selling pressure. One thing is clear. The $375 million distribution on July 24th was not just a random event. It was a reminder that even long-term holders are willing to take risk off the table when fear spreads. And with 93% of addresses still in profit, similar waves could emerge again. For anyone following XRP, the key will be watching not only the price, but also address profitability levels, because those numbers may tell us when the next big sell-off is coming. So what do you think? Is XRP's resilience a sign that it's ready for the next big rally? Or are we just in the calm before another wave of profit-taking?